Hi friends, let us see what we have in this week's weekly challenge. So we are having a sheet with us in which there are two columns. In the first column we have the names of the people, and in the second column we have their color choices. We also have a table on the right side in which the list of available colors are present. Now these people have selected their colors from this available list. Now our objective in today's session is to find out which colors were not chosen. So go ahead, pause the video, take your time and try to resolve this objective. Then come back and I will show you how you can find the resolution to this objective. Okay, now that you are back, let me show you how you can resolve this issue. So first we'll use a function of Excel called as search. So I'll type equal to search, open bracket. Then in quotation marks, I will give asterisk. Then I will say ampersand and. Then I'll click on the first color. Then again I'll give the ampersand and in quotation marks again I'll give star or asterisk. Then I will give a comma, and then it is asking me where you want to search this value. So I will select this entire column. This is where I want that it should search the value. I will log this value by pressing the F4 key from the keyboard. Then I will close the parenthesis and I will hit enter. So you can see that where it finds charcoal, there it will put as 1, and where it doesn't find it, it will put it as error. Now, in order to resolve the error, at the beginning of the formula, we'll give a function called as if error. So I'll type over here if error, and then I'll give open parenthesis, and then I'll give a comma at the end and give 0, close bracket and hit enter. So if it is an error, then it gives us as 0. Now I want to total the number of times the color was found. So I will say equal to sum, open bracket, and then go at the end and close bracket and hit enter. So you can see this charcoal color was found once. Now I'll just drag this formula down. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then I'll take it to the right side also, because there are 3 columns, so I'll take it 3 columns, and there are 8 rows, so I'll take it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So wherever it finds the color and the number of times, it will put a 1 or a number, and where it doesn't find it, it will put 0. Example, the color teal was not selected by any of these people. Let me color it with a different color. Then over here, the fourth last, so the color bronze was also not selected. Not the bronze color. Let's see the second color, mustard yellow, was also not selected by any people. And bronze was also not selected by any people. Then in the second column, pea green was not selected by any people. Then in the third column, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Goldenrod was not selected by any people. So friends, just take a look at the formula. Equal to sum, if error and search, all nested within itself, will help us find the resolution to this issue. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.